Why are gene therapy treatments so expensive? Imagine a treatment that could potentially cure a disease with just one shot. It sounds amazing, but behind the scenes, making that happen costs a lot. When patients think about gene therapy trials or future treatments, they might wonder why these options come with such high price tags. The truth is, developing gene therapies involves many costly steps. First, scientists spend years doing research to find the right genetic targets. They test these in labs before moving to clinical trials, which are the most expensive part. These trials involve multiple phases to check if the treatment is safe and works well. Each phase can cost millions of dollars, especially because gene therapies are often created for rare diseases. Fewer patients mean fewer volunteers, but the costs stay high. Out of every 100 therapies that start trials, only a small number get approved, which adds to the financial risk for companies. Second, making gene therapies is not simple. They often use special tools like viruses to deliver genetic material into cells. Producing these viral vectors in large amounts that are pure and safe requires high-tech facilities and strict rules. This manufacturing process is very expensive compared to making regular medicines. Every batch needs to meet safety standards, which adds more costs. Third, getting approval from regulatory agencies like the Food and Drug Administration involves detailed paperwork and inspections. These agencies want to make sure the treatments are safe and effective, which takes time and money. Preparing all the data and undergoing reviews can stretch over many years, adding to the overall cost. Fourth, gene therapies are usually designed to be a one-time treatment that could cure the disease. Because of this, the price can be very high, sometimes over $1 million for a single dose. This high upfront cost is meant to reflect the long-term benefits, like avoiding ongoing treatments or hospital stays. But for patients and insurance companies, paying such a large sum all at once can be challenging. Finally, because gene therapies are complex and protected by patents, there is little competition. Without generic versions, companies can set higher prices to recover their investments and fund future research. For patients, understanding why these treatments cost so much helps set realistic expectations. While the price may seem steep, these therapies offer hope for conditions with few options. Participating in gene therapy trials involves complex procedures and follow-up visits, which also add to the overall cost. Insurance policies are slowly changing to help cover these expenses, but access can still be difficult. In short, gene therapy treatments are expensive because of the high costs of research, manufacturing, regulatory approval, the potential for a one-time cure, and limited competition. Knowing these facts can help patients better understand the value and challenges of these innovative treatments.